2 rounds. Leave that on right there. West Coast shit. We're gonna do it that way. Let's go. It ain't a freestyle beat, but hey, this is the West Coast. Say that Tupac. Yeah. I'm here to it.
Now you gotta make it from the gate. You're not so worried about the kind of fame. Stop and wait, listen. And recognize the people listen. You ain't shit, I'm not gonna share with you. The haircut. And recognize the people listen. Get up on the fuck, relax. Get up on the trash. Can't go out on that and pack shit. If you need some help, you can call the boys. They right over there. So go and play with your boys. Give the fuck about the real ass shit. And I'm gonna bring this down from the fuck to the edge of your lip. Niggas got to respect. My niggas talk about the shit that he's living and keep talking off in my truck. Come and just with that pump. You can talk about your ass and look like a little pump. Fucking sweet, so niggas go fast and you can recognize that my body becomes elite.
I'm getting tired.
Yo, you said I play all my boys, that shit's great. You look at your style, man, you look at every game, man. You want something, man, you want this shit. Pick up to your ass, bitch. You ain't trying to tell me if you get with any motherfucker about the mic, I'm ill. You trying to look over there, cause you don't want to look at me, cause when you look at me, you see the MC, I really want to be. Everybody knows that this nigga, he got some issues. He don't make me, man, I'm on the mic, I be buzzing. But all this is these are my cousins. Watch it. Go over there with your dickhead beard on. You need to do something tough, boy. Get some help. Motherfucking look like mental hospital bed.